Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on controlled folder access into your Windows 11 in a very simple way. What you need to do, just simply come over into your search option and going to search for controlled folder access, and then there will be an option over here. So if you click on that, it will automatically redirect you to the Windows security, and here is a controlled folder access turned on. So if it's turned on, you can see if it's turned off, then it will look like this over here. But if you turn it on, and now it's looking like this, and you can simply click on this protected folder option, click yes for the permission, and from here you can protect this folder up also, and also you can add a protected folder. So if you want to select this, then it will be selected, and you can see now it is selected to from protected folder. So now it's into the protected folders. Also, you can turn on the ransomware protection by this. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.